What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another video with your boy LJ. Now, as y'all can tell by the title, I will be going over my 10k Robinhood portfolio, and this is basically going to be like a long-term portfolio that I plan on holding for at least 10 or more years, and just growing my portfolio. So I will be trying to put out a video like at least once a month just to update you guys with like the deposits I've made, the shares I've bought or sold. I just want to update you guys with that. So if you're interested in following me along building this portfolio and this journey, please consider subscribing. But yeah, that's basically what we're going to be doing with this portfolio at the moment. So let's hop right into it. Now we're going to go down to the stocks. I do have a little bit of crypto, guys, but I am going to be sending my crypto over to like something more secure than Robinhood. So I'm going to do that last. But first off, let's start with Microsoft. No, we'll start with Amazon. Amazon. I have about a little over 2.5 shares in Amazon, and I'm up about 1.5%. Amazon is this is a long-term hold for me. I believe in Amazon in the future. I think Amazon is at a very good price right now to start DCAing in. Amazon, I mean, we're in, basically for the economy we're in, I feel like Amazon is at a very good discount right now. So I will be adding Amazon at least, $100 a month or whatever I can. So yeah, I will be adding Amazon. This is another long-term play for me. Next, we have Nvidia. I love Nvidia. They are a dividend stock, so that's good as well. The dividends isn't that much. I think it's only 4 cents per share, so it's not a lot of dividends, but at least it's something for holding it. And I also believe in believe in Nvidia long term. So yeah, I will be holding Nvidia long term, and I will continue to DCA in as much as I can. But I have about 5.5 shares of that, and I'm up almost 7%. So yeah, that's good. And then next we have Microsoft. I have about 5 shares of Microsoft, and I'm up almost 6% at the moment. And Microsoft is another company that I believe in, so I will be DCAing in Microsoft. And I'm going to be dollar cost averaging basically for at least 10 years or more, just to build this portfolio. These are companies that I believe are going to thrive 10 years from now. So, and then after Microsoft, we have Google. I have almost 9 shares of Google. I am currently down almost 14% on Google, and the average, I bought it around $115, so I am getting the average cost down a little bit. It's at 109 right now, so I'm going to continue to add money in, and I'm going to continue to get the average cost down because I use Google all the time, as many do. So I believe in Google long term, and I believe it's going to be a company sticking around for the foreseeable future. And then after Google, we have Apple. Apple is, of course, a huge company. I have a lot of Apple products. I have an iPhone, I got an Apple Watch, and I got my MacBook sitting right in front of me. So I feel like it's only right for me to own some of Apple. So I have about almost 10 shares of Apple right now. I am currently down about 1.5%, but obviously Apple is another long-term hold for me, and I'm going to continue to DCA, and I'm going to continue to put my money into Apple. And then lastly, we have Tesla. I got about 6 shares of Tesla. I am down 7.5% in Tesla. I bought it around $200, so Tesla is gonna be, in my opinion, a big EV company in the next few years. So I believe in Tesla long term, and I believe Tesla is gonna be one of the biggest EVs out, if not the biggest. So that's why I'm going to continue to buy Tesla shares. I'm going to continue to hold and, you know, basically just DCA in. And then before I get to crypto, I want to talk about an ETF that I'm going to, you know, I'm going to try to put at least $500 in this ETF. It is the S&P 500, which, if you don't know, it is the top 500 companies in the US. So I'm gonna try at least to put $500 a month into this, and I'm going to hold for at least 10 years or more, because, you know, this is one of the less risky plays in the stock market, because, you know, it's the top 500 companies. So, you know, if you're new to the stock market and you're not really sure what to invest in, an ETF like VOO, ticker symbol VOO, would be a great idea in my opinion. So yeah, I'm gonna put money into that, and that's probably, VOO is probably gonna be my biggest hold out of all of these. So yeah, maybe by the next time I make this video, I'm probably gonna have VOO, and it's probably gonna be one of my biggest holds. And then last but not least, we have crypto. Like I said, I'm gonna be transferring my crypto into something safer, so I don't really have that much. I plan on buying more crypto, but obviously once I transfer into a different portfolio, I will go on more in depth about crypto, but I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown. Okay, I have ADA, aka Cardano. I'm down about, I have 3,000 ADA, and I'm down about 22%. I bought it at an average cost around 43%. I mean 43%, 43 cents. So yeah, I'm down quite a bit in this position, but I believe in ADA long term, so I'm going to continue to hold ADA for years, and I think it'll get well past 43 cents. So I believe in ADA. And then next I have about one Ethereum, a little bit over one Ethereum, and I am up 8% on that. Ethereum was really, really low. I wish I would have caught it at $800 when it did, but I'm comfortable where I'm at right now. I do plan on getting more Ethereum, and I believe Ethereum is going to be up there with Bitcoin. Not saying it's going to be as much as Bitcoin, but it's going to be, it's the big dog next to Bitcoin, basically. So I believe in Ethereum, so I will continue to get more Ethereum. And then I have a little bit of Matic. Now I want to get a lot more Matic than what I have. I have about $200 worth of Matic, and I definitely want to get a lot more Matic. I believe in Matic. It's one of my top cryptos at the moment. So, but I'm up about almost 13% in that right now. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to add my money into Matic, and I believe it's gonna pay off very well. And then last but not least is SHIB. This is a very risky crypto. You know, it's considered a meme coin. You know, this is more of a risky play that I have off the entire portfolio. In my opinion, I think I can deal with a little bit of risk in my portfolio, but I have about 100 million SHIB. You know, it's about an average cost of 0.00013, but yeah, SHIB is a very risky play. It could go either way. I could lose all my money, or I can make a lot of money, and I'm willing to live with that risk, but I will not be buying any more SHIB. I'm basically just gonna bag hold here and see where it takes me. But yeah, that's about the only risky play I have in this portfolio. I don't think I'm gonna add any more. I'm just gonna continue to DCA in all the stocks that I have, and DCA into an ETF VOO, And basically that's it, you guys. That is my 10k portfolio. I am up $340 on the week, and for the month I am down $110, but I am up 500% in the last 3 months, and year to date I am up almost $900. And for last year, I'm down about $200, and all time I am down about $400. But this is a long-term portfolio for me, so I'm gonna continue to hold this as long as I can and continue to stay in and basically try to grow this portfolio into $100,000. So stick with me along this journey if you guys are interested in watching me do this. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.